Okay, so we have taken the line from the second floor, the two raceways from the first floor retractables, and the dustpan, and we have connected them all together. Now the idea with the raceways is to get a minimum amount of footage to store the hose using those long radius 90s, 45s, and 22s. Once we finish the raceways, the idea is to collect them and get them back to the power unit as efficiently as possible, and we can use our standard size fittings. So after the hose stop here, I have a 90 and a 45, and I'm coming up here and I'm picking up the dustpan because that happens to be in the same joist bay. I'm using two fittings here that I would not use to connect a retractable run, a sweep T and a medium 90. Both of these are acceptable for a dustpan or a standard inlet connection, but I do not recommend them for a retractable hose. The longer radius 90 and the Y fitting both provide a smoother turn, but that's just picking up the dustpan, so it is absolutely fine. And we've come along here above the ductwork. We have our control wire, our low voltage from the dustpan, and this is a 45-degree Y and two street 45s, and the first one makes the Y act like a T, and then the second one allows that branch to jump up above the duct. So this trunk line goes this way, picks up our second floor, and then it goes this way, and our last retractable raceway was coming from this way, and so right where it crosses this main line, I've added another Y and two street 45s again. So that's the completion of our line, but then to get it in a place where we're going to hang the unit, I have used a 90 and a street 45 as a gray street 45, but same as a white one, to jump up over here, and then I have a 90 facing down. A street 45 and a regular 45 give us an offset to bring that piping closer to the wall so it's not sticking, a foot out from the wall. I could have brought this all the way to the concrete, but I chose to do it this way. You'll see we have three low voltage wires, one from the dustpan and then one from each inlet on the first floor. And that's our roughing.